So Cedarcode has been attending nonstop all RailsConfs and RubyConfs since 2018. And I believe RubyConf 2019 in Nashville is when we started sponsoring, and we never stopped since. If I look back at Cedarcode's conception, we always wanted to build the greatest team of experts who are passionate about web development, and we knew we wanted to do so by using Ruby on Rails. We cannot imagine building a business around the technology and not contributing to the health and sustainability of its community. We've always been true believers that you get what you give. So as soon as we were capable of sponsoring, we started to. But supporting is not the only way in which we give back. We also created and maintain gems like webauthn-ruby, which is a library that companies use to integrate passkeys into their Ruby applications. This ended up being a great contribution to the community because a lot of the big names in the Ruby industry are using it, like Shopify, Basecamp, GitHub, and it's a hot topic these days. We contributed to adding support for passkeys in Mastodon, and we're currently helping to improve the support for passkeys in GitLab. Actually, related to webauthn, Martinez, one of my partners at the company, gave a talk about webauthn-ruby in the RailsConf 2023 in Atlanta, organized by Ruby Central, with the intent of sharing the knowledge and spreading the word. We not only sponsor the conferences, we wanted to become contributing or corporate members of the Rails Foundation and now Ruby Central to make sure we contribute directly to the main actors in the community. And last but not least, and very close to our hearts, we were one of the sponsors of our local Ruby community in Uruguay called Ruby UI, sometimes hosting local meetups and giving talks. Our local community is amazing. It's very strong, it's pretty big, and from time to time we get visitors from other parts of the world like the US, and we love to host them at our meetups. Actually, last year we went regional and sponsored Tropical RP in Brazil, so we're all over the place. I think talks are amazing and workshops are insightful and nurturing. But most importantly, what we enjoy is to connect face-to-face with old and new friends from the community. This is something that is not on the brochure of the conference, but I'm sure everyone who decides to attend sees the value in it. You guys are great bringing us all together, and we really enjoy to just be there at Ruby Central events. Look at the schedule, pick the talks you find more interesting. It's important to make the most of them, so have a plan. Definitely try to attend the workshop. It's a great experience. And most importantly, try to make friends. Try to meet people that know their way around these conferences, people that you can ask for advice, and that they can introduce you to other Ruby friends. Any Cedarcoder will probably be wearing Cedarcode swag. So if you see anyone with a Cedarcode t-shirt or hoodie, feel free to come and say hi. We're also on the Slack or chats from the conference. And if that doesn't work, our website can lead you to our hello@cedarcode.com email. So if anybody writes there, we will see it and we will write to you and we'll arrange a meeting.